Hi guys, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to add damaged or expired items using internal transfers in your back office. This process is used when items need to be removed from sellable inventory because they are damaged, expired, or no longer available for sale. To begin, go to the internal transfer by accessing it through the Smart Search. Click Add to create a new transfer. Next, select where the items are being transferred. For this example, we can choose Damage. In the description field, enter a short note for the transfer. You can include details such as today's date, the department name, or a short reason for the transfer. For example, you can type expired grocery items or damaged items for today. After entering the description, click Continue. Now scan the items that are damaged or expired. As you scan each item, confirm the quantity that needs to be added to the transfer. Continue scanning until all damaged or expired items have been added. If you are not finished yet, you can click Save. Saving allows you to come back later, add more items, remove items, or review the transfer before completing it. Keep in mind, if you only save the transfer, the inventory will not be changed yet. When everything is complete and you are ready to finalize the transfer, then you're going to click Commit. Once you commit the transfer, the selected quantities will be removed from the inventory. And that's it. You have successfully added damaged or expired items using the internal transfers in your back office. Thank you so much for watching.